Greetings traders, I'm just doing a little trading here. I forgot to record the last trade. I'm about to take another trade here. Let me take the trade and I'll come right back and show it to you. Okay, I have just taken a long position here. The computer is indicating that it wants to go up now. A computer controls the oil market just like a computer controls all markets. And if you know how the computer works, if you know what its tells are, then you can take entries and have a very high success rate doing so. I am now demonstrating this and showing this to you. The computer is indicating that it is going to go up. Let me go ahead and pause the video in the interest of time, and I will come back shortly and show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade. The computer is always in motion and always giving long and short signals all the time, constantly. So you have to pay attention to what the computer is saying, what the computer is doing, the tells that it's giving away, and sometimes you have to reverse position, sometimes it's better just to get out, etc. But at all times the computer does tell you what it's doing, or let's put it this way, you can read what the computer is doing if you know how it works. Okay, I'll come right back and show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade. It is starting to move up here. I got a 20 tick exit on it. We'll see if it can make it here. I'll come right back. I'm getting pretty close to the exit. Just went up to 48, which is right there. That's a 48 again. Just a little bit more to go. I'm watching the computer right now, seeing what it's saying. Still hasn't changed yet. Still giving a long, but that could easily change and it could all of a sudden give a short. So I'm just going to follow what the computer says. If it gives a short, I will reverse position. If it continues to say long, I will stay long. But I am going for the exit because, you know, you got to take profit off the table. It's a part of the system. So anyway, I will be back shortly. It just made it up to 52. There's 52 again. It's almost there. 3 ticks away. Taking a look at the computer. What does it say? Still giving a long here. However, it might come down right now. It may very well come down. Or if it does go up, I could adjust this for a few more ticks here, I think. In fact, no, I'll just stick with the exit. But I might have to reverse position here shortly. We'll see. I'm not gonna get out right here. I'm just gonna either let it go or I will reverse position if it gives a short. At all times, just following the computer, what it says. Be right back. Okay, there it goes. It's gonna hit the exit. I'll come right back. It made it to 54, by the way. Okay, I have reversed position. I have gone short. The computer is now saying that it wants to go down. I am simply following the computer and what it is doing. It constantly gives away a tell that indicates whether it's going to go up or down, and I'm simply just following this tell. That is my system here that I discovered, and that's what I'm doing and what I'm going to continue to do, is just simply following what the computer says. I will be right back to show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade, but I did make it within 1 tick of the exit, just didn't quite hit. But you know, sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. I don't cry about it when they don't, and I don't get overly excited when they do. I'm like a robot trading. following the mathematics of the system and following the computer. Simple as that. Okay, I will come right back and show you the progression outcome of this trade. Okay, it is beginning to move down here a little bit. It might pop back up. It might even give a long signal here soon, and I'll have to reverse position again. But what I want to do is just show you how the system works and what it's like to know the direction of the computer and how well you can do with that. So I'm basically just following exactly what it says. You could be doing the exact same. And for those of you out there who have purchased the system, just watch how I play this. You know, don't panic. Don't get out early. Just follow the system. 100%. Sometimes you're going to be wrong. Sometimes you're going to pay the price. Don't kick yourself when you do so. I mean, if you kicked yourself every time that was going to happen, you know, you'd be kicking yourself over and over and over again. Don't trade like that. If you could just make this into a game of math and like a robot with no emotion, you'll make this a whole lot easier for yourself. Because, you know, when you hit the winners, you hit the winners. You can always cut your loss short. But when you hit them, you hit them. And it's not that big of a deal. It's not that hard. Just follow the computer. Okay, I'll be right back. In other words, you can always cut your loss short. But if you get into the habit of cutting your profit short, you'll never make it. You must hit the winners, or you'll never make it. Always remember that. That's where so many traders go wrong. They think to themselves, oh, I got a little bit of profit, and they'll just take it. You keep doing that, every time you lose, what's going to happen? It's just going to eat away your profit. But if you can cut your losers short and then hit the winners, you come out ahead. Alright, taking a look at something. Let me read the computer here. I might get a reversal. Stand by. I'll be right back. Okay, I have gotten a reversal. The computer is now saying that it is going to go long. So I have reversed position and I am now long. You can reverse position simply by hitting this button here. It reverses and closes your prior position. So you close and then reverse direction, all with one button. Very convenient, very easy to do. And you know what I've noticed from some traders is once they get going in one direction, they want it to just keep going in that direction. Well, I mean, you know, look at it for yourself. I mean, the thing goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up. I mean, if you knew when it was going to go down and when it was going to go up, obviously you can make a lot of money, correct? Well, with my system, that's exactly what you can do. Know whether it's going to go down or up, basically at almost all times, with a very high degree of accuracy on top of it. Now imagine that. And I am here showing it to you right now. I've already taken multiple positions. Each time I have, it's gone in that direction. It just, you know, it didn't hit my 20-tick exit that one time, and I reversed, and it only came down a little bit, you know, about halfway, and then it came back up, and then I had to reverse, and I'm in the position now. Now hopefully it'll shoot up here and you know, make a nice profit, maybe a 20-tick profit on this one. If not, then it might reverse again, and I'll reverse with it. Whatever it says to do, I'm gonna do. But that is the beauty of knowing how the computer works. And the computer for oil is the same as the computer for everything. So once you know how to trade oil, for instance, you know how to trade everything. It's all the same. Anyway, I'll come back and show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade. Okay, it's beginning its move up here. As you can see though, each one of my entries has gone the right way. It's a little tight right here, you know. But, you know, the computer sometimes goes tight where it doesn't move very much. And there's no way for you to know how much it will move. You just know if it's about to take it up or take it down. Sometimes it takes it up and then goes big. Sometimes it takes it down and goes big. Sometimes it takes it up and just goes a little. Sometimes it takes it down and just goes a little. You never can know, which one will be big and which one won't. But at least you're going to know what the direction is and give you ample opportunities to take trades and make money from them. That's why you do want to take your positions when it's active. You wouldn't want to do it when it's not active. Otherwise, it wouldn't really go anywhere for you. So you have to know when it's active. And the oil, for instance, is active during the USA session. It's a little bit active during the Euro session, but not as much as the USA. So the USA is really good for this particular strategy that I'm using, but the Euro can be good for the system too. So anyway, it's looking pretty good right here. It may again reverse position, but I'll let the computer tell me whether it wants to or not. Otherwise, I'm just going to hold it and try to hit the exit again. Okay, I'll come right back. It may roll over here. It just went up to 60. So right up to there, 7 pennies shy of the exit. It may roll over here and go back down. But I am just going to wait for the computer to tell me what it's going to do, and I will follow it. It hasn't told me yet, but it may tell me very soon. Okay, I'll come right back. Okay, the computer just told me that it is now going to go down, so I have a reversed position and gone short. And I'm just going to keep following whatever the computer says to do. So, in the interest of time, if it is wrong, it'll be a fairly small stop. Let's see, let me take a look at it here. Looks like about 60, above 60 I'll get out. So it's only about 6, 7, 8 pennies by the time I get out, if it's wrong. Otherwise, it'll go down as the computer is indicating, and just, getting every direction right, as you can see for yourself. Okay, I will come right back and show you the progression and, of course, the outcome of this trade. Okay, just want to show that it is starting to come down now. Again, the computer was correct, or at least I was correct in the tell on the computer. And as you can see how well the system works, it can tell you which direction it's going to go constantly, non-stop, never ending. It's just a matter of where the exit is. So sometimes it goes shallow, etc. But I'll keep doing this for a bit, and you'll see that it will hit the exits. Not every trade is going to go shallow, not every trade is going to reverse. It will hit the exits. So, and I'll show that to you for yourself so you can see it. Okay, I'll come right back and show you the progression and, of course, the outcome of this trade. Okay, I just had to exit the position there. Let's see here. We do have a long signal, but stand by. I think it's going to reverse here, but let me just, I'm not going to get in right here because I missed a good entry. Let me see what the computer is going to say, and I will take another entry shortly. Okay, I have taken another short position here. The computer is indicating that it is going to go down. I was right about it doing a reversal. See, when you do this for a while, you get good at being able to read the tells of the computer. It's pretty easy to do, and I could see it coming before it even came. So that's why I didn't want to take a position, because I could see it was just going to roll over and go short again. Anyway, I'll come back and show you the progression and, of course, the outcome of this trade. Okay, the computer just reversed position on me again. Now it's saying it wants to go long again. It sure is changing itself a lot here. But at least I can tell which direction it's going to want to go. This should be it now. It's going to break. It should break up now. Break higher and go up. So I am in long. Let's see if we can get 20 ticks on this one. I'll come back and show you the progression, of course the outcome of this trade. Okay, I just had to reverse position again. The computer is indicating that it is now going to go down. And there it goes. Let's see if we can hit the exit on this one. Hopefully this will be an easy one. That's what I really need to do, is hit a couple exits here, because it's just been going up and down a tight little range and haven't been able to hit one exit yet. So let's see if this one will be it. Usually always hit a few exits, so okay, I'll come right back. Okay, it's getting close. Almost there. Hopefully this one will be able to hit. Come right back. Okay, it's getting fairly close to the exit here. We're within 6 ticks. 5 ticks now. I'll come back. Okay, almost there. 2 more ticks to go. Okay, it just got me out for 20 ticks. That was a 20 tick exit right there. And I will take some more trades. Be right back. Okay, I have taken another short position here. The computer is saying that it is going to go down. So I am short and waiting for it to go down. I will be back shortly to show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade. And unfortunately I was just wrong on that one. Let me see here. Yeah, it's offset. It's going to go up here. I missed a good entry, so I'm not going to take it. I will remember that though for the next one, and should be able to nail the next one. And I'm just going to wait here until I get a good entry. I'll be right back. Okay, I have taken a long position here. The computer is indicating that it is going to go up. So I've taken a long position. I will be right back to show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade. Okay, it's moving up here a bit. Still got quite a ways to go to hit the exit, but taking a look at the computer, it looks pretty good. Got a decent chance to hit it. So I am just letting it go. I'll be back shortly. Okay, I have just reversed position and gone short. The computer is now saying that it is going to move down. So I am short, going with the computer, and I'll be back shortly to show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade. It's beginning to move down here a little bit. See if it doesn't make a nice drop here and hit the exit again. Okay, it's getting fairly close to the exit here. 7 ticks to go. The computer has given another signal that it's going to go down. So it should make it to the exit from here. I'll come back. It's getting really late here, so I'm going to exit this trade and call it a day. It's a little bit slow today, so, but I still managed to make some ticks and show you that, for the most part, I can get the direction right over and over and over again. And the whole reason, again, for that is because oil, like all markets in the world, are all being controlled in advance by a computer. It's not really trading. There is no bid here. There is no ask here. There is no buying and selling. A computer is moving the direction around. In other words, you could have all the buys in the world right now. It won't make it go up. You could have all the sells in the world right now. It won't make it go down. is going up or down because a computer is controlling it to do so in advance. A computer is 100% in control of this market and all markets. It is a 100% mathematical fact. Don't let anybody in the world fool you otherwise. And I am demonstrating this fact because nobody could get the trading right over and over again like I'm doing, unless it was controlled by a computer. Simple as that. Okay, I'm going to exit the trade right here. Okay, I'm out. I'm done for the day. It's late where I am right now. And I will be back tomorrow. Should have time tomorrow to do some more trading and show you and demonstrate. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to start showing the other instruments as well. I can trade the E-mini, I can trade gold, I can trade any of the indexes, the Dow, the S&P, the NASDAQ, all indexes. I can trade ETFs. I can trade all currency pairs. Everything, you name it. I can trade the DAX and the Germany. I can trade anything and everything. Shanghai, everything. The Nikkei, everything, you name it, all over the world. They're all controlled by a computer. 100% guaranteed, 100% mathematical fact. That's what my system, my courses teach, is how the computer works. So that you could take the entries that you've seen me take today by reading the computer and what it's going to do and get them right with a very high degree of accuracy. This is obviously dangerous information to the establishment. They don't like me teaching this information, and they have been persecuting me for a long time now for doing so. But in my book, the truth is the most important thing. And I want people to know about this, and I am teaching this. And yes, I'm charging for it, but not that much money. And allowing people all over the world to be able to take advantage of this. They obviously don't like that. It's a threat to them. I am a threat to them. But from my perspective, they are the threat, not me. I'm simply exposing them, blowing the whistle, and teaching people how this works. They've chosen to persecute me for it. And I'm here to say that that's not going to stop me from continuing to teach and continuing to try to help people learn how this works. Anyway, I will be back tomorrow, hopefully. I should be able to make it. But if not, I'll come back on, the next day, Thursday. But I'll try real hard to make it tomorrow. I should be able to. So I will be back, and I will demonstrate this more. And let's say next week I'll start demonstrating some of the other markets, so that you can see that I can't just do this with just oil. I can do this with anything. You name it. Anything at all. The only thing I can't do this with is stocks, because stocks really do trade. They really do have a bid, they really do have an ask, and they really do go up and down by the dynamics of buying and selling. I can read a level 2 screen like very few people in the world can, and I'm very intimately familiar with exactly how real trading really works and all the dynamics of it, because it's very complex. Actually, it's not that complex, but it is a high degree of complexity to it, whereas this is romper room simple, basically, in comparison, anyway. So anyway, I'll be back tomorrow and keep demonstrating the power of knowing this system of how the computer works behind the movement. Take care out there, traders. I hope you're doing well, especially those of you using my system, of course. And I wish you happy trading, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care.